If your iPhone Safari layout is stuck, not changing, or the tab view looks different than normal, here are some quick fixes you can try. First, open the Safari browser and make sure you're not in a specific tab group. Sometimes Safari stays locked into one layout depending on the tab group you are using. Next, go to the Settings app and scroll down to Safari. Um, Here you'll find a few important options that can affect how Safari looks. Now, look for the tab settings. Switch between tab bar and single tab layout and see if it refreshes the interface. Sometimes just toggling this resets the Safari layout instantly. If it still looks stuck, go back to settings and scroll down to screen time. Check if any restrictions are affecting Safari display changes. If needed, temporarily turn off content and privacy restrictions. Also, make sure your iPhone is updated. Go to General and tap on Software Update and install the latest iOS version because Safari layout bugs are often fixed in updates. Another quick fix is restarting your iPhone. Go to General and tap on Shutdown. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. If nothing changes, you can also reset Safari settings by going to Settings, tapping on Safari, and then tapping on Clear History and Website Data. Then again, tap on Clear History Data and tap on Close Tabs. This can refresh the browser layout completely. After doing these steps, your Safari layout should return to normal and start changing properly again. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.